Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Perry Trade, and if you're new to my channel, please remember to like and subscribe. Don't worry, this will be a quick video. I say quick because today in the March 11th 2024 trading session, I traded the micro NASDAQ. I didn't take any trade because my trading plan did not have any setups. I could not enter a trade because none of my indicator had given me the go ahead to enter a trade. So I drew these support and resistance line, and you can see here that the market was going back and forth between this zone. There was no breakout anywhere. So if you're a scalper, perhaps maybe you made a lot of profits with these quick reversals. That's fine. It's okay for me because there's days where I may not take any trades, but the other days that I do will make up for the days that I didn't. Okay, so as you already know from my previous video, I follow strict trading rules. Whenever my indicators, all my conditions are met, I go ahead and take the trade with no hesitation. So here, no trades here. So a good setup is, I guess, the previous day. This was Friday, and I showed you, if you watch my other video, you can see where I took some trades here. So this would be a perfect scenario right here and a perfect scenario right here. And if I go beyond that, here maybe 2 days prior to that would be a good setup here and a good setup here. So of course, we're waiting on some inflation news, I believe. And, inflations have been, a pain lately, hitting our wallets, the grocery stores, everywhere else. In a recent survey, the Federal Reserve got me thinking because it showed people are worried about inflation and how long will it stick around. The thing is, the Fed wants to keep inflation in check around 2% a year. But if everyone gets nervous, it starts. People will start assuming that price would just keep going up. Well, that kind of can make it a reality. It's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. This might force the Fed to take stronger measures to control inflation, which could slow down the whole economy. But even though the Fed chief Jerome Powell seemed confident, this survey result makes me wonder if people are starting to doubt the Fed ability to keep things under control. But something that we need to keep an eye on, and so we'll just keep checking the market. So again, like I explained, I didn't take a trade today, but that's fine. I'll wait till tomorrow and we'll see if I have any setups. So if I other days that I've taken trade will make up for the days that I didn't. But it's fine. But like I said again, when I do take a trade, I know 100% sure it's a quality trade. So again, I want to thank you for watching my video, and please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.